Welcome back to Piggyback PC. Today we're going to be servicing one of the best sold GPUs of all time, the GTX 1060. This particular model is the Palit Super JetStream 6GB version.
There we go. So it should just come apart fairly easy. They're all pretty much the same. You can see this has definitely been used, isn't it? That is a bit grim. Right, we will clean that out. Right, let's try and get this shield off. Oh, there we go. How small that is. But yeah, it's definitely dry. Sticky pads still pretty sticky. I don't know how long they last.
The thermal paste lasts about 5 years.
So it doesn't look like I've had any hot spots. Well, there it looks it's a bit discoloration there around these, and these do get hot. I don't know what they are. I think they're capacitors. These are the memory, the VRAM. That's your the GPU. I believe these here are capacitors to help feed the power not consistently. Oh, there's a bit more blob there. Oh, that's a bit cleaner. Well, I think we'll get away with a pea-sized blob on this. I think that'd be too much. Let's put a little bit more just for luck. Right, a little spreader. It's always better to have and not need, and need and not have. There we go. Right, here we go. Move that out of the way, don't want to get that covered in crap. Right, just old toothbrush, perfect. Dislodge all of the bits and bobs. Well, I wouldn't use the toothbrush again for your teeth anyway, but yeah, old toothbrush, perfect. There we go, there's a lot better in it. It's all rubbish on them. Should have measured them. That looks like 2mm. I keep that one down there. So that looks a bit fiddly to get into. But, right.
This is a good little kit. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's a little kit, comes with like 4 different sizes: 0.5mm, 1mm, 1.5mm and 2mm. The ones I'm using on this model are the 1.5mm. Yeah, this is a good product. It's only £10 on Amazon. There is better products, but you'll pay that for just one sheet, whereas this kit like all them different sizes and get you out of trouble. But yeah, like definitely give it a good clean up before you try these down, and take off both sheets. So you unstick one side, stick it down, and then take the other side off.
So the little marks, they should be the corners. So you want to make sure you're at least on those. It's a bit fiddly. Let's wiggle it about. Give it a little nudge with this. There we go, that looks good to me. Right up to the little markings. You will need to remove both sides. It's got protective plastic on both sides. And then remove the bottom. That's good. bottom of this one. It's a bit bigger, but it works. Just try and keep it stuck down. It will try and move when you're removing them, but make sure you remove those. Let's just try and get this back on. Okay, we'll do it this way. You can see where your holes are.
So I put this on a little box just to lift it off the ground so that IO shield didn't bottom out, so you can line the holes up better. So when you screw the screws in, just screw them in diagonally from each other, and then wind them down bit by bit, and then just go round at the end and nip them all up. Once you've done that, you're going to want to flip it over, put the shortest wire in first, the shortest plug, because it's easier now, and then flip it over, put in the longer plug, then turn it over again, and then put all the screws in, but don't screw them all the way down, leave them a little bit loose so they got a bit of movement, and you better wind them down, and then at the very end go round and nip everything up once everything's all lined up. I will leave all the links for the materials and some of the tools in the bio below. I hope you enjoyed my video as much as I enjoyed videoing it, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, let's smash budgets together, not piggy banks.